she let me do it.
Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into this video. I was sent a wig from Myfirstwigs. First of all, I have not done a video on Myfirstwigs in so long, so this is well overdue and very much appreciated. It's a bald wig though. Let me read off the details for you guys real quick, because if you know Myfirstwigs, you know that they give you the information inside of the packaging. It is a Yaki texture. The length is 10 inches. The hair color is a natural hair color. The cap size is a size 1, and the cap construction is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, and it's 160% density. All right, so this is what the wig came inside. It also has an elastic band. I think it's 𝐏𝐫𝐞 lace. They also give you these type of goodies, this little bag, and it comes with a comb and like a clip to put the hair back away from your face. So let's get into this wig. This is what the lace looks like in the parting. It is pretty deep. Again, it's a 13 by 4. The nails are ratchet, so please excuse me. But it has 2 combs in the front. It doesn't have a comb in the middle, just 2 combs in the front off to the side. Here's all the lace, so of course you can part within this parting space. And they also give you a comb in the back with a little bit of lace that's unnecessary, and the adjustable straps just in case, the adjustable straps and the elastic band just in case you want to wear it glueless, because of course you can. And this is basically the wig. It feels super nice and like fluffy, and I'm not trying to have that bone straight type of look. I want it to still have its texture, so I don't think I'm gonna go in with a flat on, but I'm gonna try it on real quick so you guys can see what it's giving. The hairline is also pre-plucked. The knots are also bleached, and all of this comes with the wig. This is, you know, how the wig comes. So this is the hairline, which is really nice. The lace is really long, goes all the way past my ears, so I'm probably gonna have to cut that off. But this is how deep the parting is, and when you go on the side, the track starts right here. So I will go just up a little bit if you wanted a deep side part, and this is as deep as it's gonna get, which is pretty deep. So all right, I'm gonna go in because I can't find my scissors, so I'm gonna go in with these miniature scissors and cut the lace off and then start applying it. So of course I'm going to speed this up, but here she is with the lace still on, and it looks like this is going to be a real quick application because I feel like I don't really have to do much to it. So I'll be back.
She let me do it.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright, thank you. If I knew that, I probably would have let him come out early. Because I knew it was going to be so late. Yeah. Yeah.